I'm going to be doing a quick back test of a couple of the days in January. What you're looking at is this chart here is my 30-second chart. It's my main order flow chart where I do my entries on. This up here is an hour chart where I look for some supply and demand zones on the hour time frame. Same thing with a 4-hour time frame, and what you can't see is a 5-minute chart that I have to my right over here. Okay, so what I can mark out here is a 1-hour demand supply zone. This basing candle drop. And so if we get a pullback into that, I'll slow the replay down and have a look at what it does. I'd normally be looking at like the 30-minute and the 15-minute as well for more intraday type of moves.
Oh, I see.
And so this is like...
Would you have it on the screen here?
Yeah, some of these trades I might have taken, there might have been a couple here on the 30-minute and 15-minute time frame, but...
Yeah, just don't have them up for this one.
No. So we're in this supply zone now, and what I'm looking for is sort of a change in the order flow.
Is that big red bubble a change enough for you?
It is a change. So all I saw was it going up and then big red bubble, now it's just selling off. So what I'm sort of thinking is, because we came up into this supply zone and then rejected very strong with aggressive selling, what I want to see is an attempt to break above, I would even call it here, this area, with buying coming in, to then that buying to even get trapped to try a short position. Targets for this trade will be down here at this consolidation area, because that's the first area I can see where the price could bounce at. But like I said, it is the overnight session, so that's only like 7 points away.
Yeah.
So the price is obviously not moving that much, but that's something I'm looking at.
Yeah.
If it plays out. It's very difficult trading on this overnight session.
Yeah, I bet.
Okay, so what I just saw there was buying, pull up above here, get trapped, sellers get aggressive. This would be the ideal entry or try a short.
Order filled.
Put my stop loss.
Order placed.
Above this high. Could even put it.
Order placed.
Ideally put it there, because I can always re-enter.
Yeah.
And take profit down here. It is quite a one-to-one.
Order placed.
Ideal entry would be here at those 6s, but we'll see how this plays out anyway.
Yeah.
Order cancelled.
Oh, that was a good trade.
I knew that.
It would be, because mainly what I saw is hourly time frame. Sellers get aggressive, drops lower. I don't want to enter down here because ideal stop would have to be up here.
Yeah.
If it pulls back up to here, everything pulls back. I want to see buyers get trapped or sellers to then get really aggressive, then just enter. And ideal entry, I entered here. Ideal entry would be here, but that's just picking. And this is the overnight session. I would use the trade.
Yeah, it's a little bit more not volatile, but more slow.
Yeah. And the reason I had my take profit here was just because this was the consolidation area before this bounce. This could be considered a demand zone on a lower time frame.
If you had more contracts, would you like bring it down to?
You can definitely hold runners,
Yeah.
Definitely hold runners down to here. Even continuing this main downtrend, you can do it down to the low here.
Nice, yeah, because every downtrend needs a break and a new low.
I like this here as a demand zone, an area to watch if it pulls back too. It's not as strict, like, well, I can't see it at the moment anyway. It might be a 30 minutes demand zone or whatnot, but
yeah,
at the moment all I'm seeing is that consolidation for that bounce, and now I'm going to slow it down, immediately pulled back into it. What I want to see is aggressive selling, trap selling, absorption or exhaustion to look to take the market long.
I wonder if I cooked my sourdough loaf for long enough.
We're in demand, but we're locking in. Okay, so what I see, this is the first sign of buying actually showing, like getting rewarded inside my zone.
Yeah.
Bunch of aggressive selling. Buyers get aggressive. I could take an aggressive entry on this here.
Yeah.
Aggressive entries do have a lower chance of working out, but I could take this as an aggressive entry, taking it up to these highs up here.
Yeah.
Order filled. Order placed.
Small stop loss of 3 points, targeting these highs.
Order placed.
And we'll see what goes. This is exactly what we want. you see selling aggressive. Instead buyers get put the price pushes up, putting them underwater, then buyers get aggressive, putting more pressure on them. That's what I want to see.
I like the underwater reference.
Yeah. And so now I can move my stop loss up to below those guys.
Order placed.
Break even, because I don't want that to break.
Yeah.
So we're risk free in this trade.
Order cancelled.
Good
Nice.
target there. That's another good trade.
Another good trade.
Keep it pushing.
And that's how you find your demand zones, is like a little bit of consolidation with a strong rally up or down.
Yeah, and this one I like a lot as well because of this down here. The sellers tried to push it lower, breaking below that low. It got trapped. Aggressive selling got trapped, and then it pushed up very aggressively. That shows a shift in structure.
Oh, okay.
And that's why I wasn't really looking at this 1 hourly supply zone anymore.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Damn, big drop.
Very strong drop. That's good. Look what we got here.
That was some news right there. Or was that market open? If we just entered market open.
Yeah, I mean, it is spit up, so.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, look, we entered market open. So
Okay.
that's why.
So I've got this hourly supply zone up there,
Yeah.
over here. See what happens if we pull back to that. Okay, so what I saw here was, you see how this buyer here pushed price up, tried to hold it, and then
Consolidation.
right here, when the buyers tried to keep rallying up above this high, they just got absorbed.
Yeah.
Price push lower, sellers getting aggressive right now.
Order filled.
Short with my stop loss above these highs. Maybe above this guy, because I don't really want this guy to get.
Order placed.
And targets for this trade.
Would be that.
I can target there, but I can also target down here.
Order
Like
placed.
this supply zone a lot.
Yeah.
It's quite a bigger picture supply zone, especially with this. If you draw this whole thing as consolidation like that, and so we can try it here. Our target, we're just down here before this strong rally.
Yeah. So the have to come back and
Order placed.
leftover orders.
Yeah, because it'd be a demand zone here, a smaller time frame demand zone.
Yeah.
So we'll see how this plays out.
Order cancelled.
So I got stopped there. That doesn't invalidate my trade at the moment though.
Just probably too much of an entry early.
Might be an early entry. We'll see how it plays out. Okay, what I don't mind the look of is there's a 5-minute supply zone here that got created.
Was that when it touched the new high?
Yeah, while we're inside this 1 hour supply zone, a 5-minute one got created, we push lower. So what I'll be looking for right now is a quick pullback up to these 97s to then re-enter short.
Is it because it's a little bit of consolidation and then down?
It's that basing candle there, then it dropped.
Yeah.
Well, we're already inside a 1 hour supply zone. That's why I would look at it. So we'll see if we get the pullback. If not, then it's alright. So here's this pullback. What I'm looking for is aggressive buying to attempt to keep pushing price up. And then the first sign it fails, it would be my entry. Okay, so what I can see here is buying tried, aggressive buying, trying to push it up. It fails, and sellers getting aggressive inside this 5 minutes supply zone, which is inside this 1 hour supply zone. So I can
Order filled.
here. Stop loss.
Order placed.
And then take profit either down here or down here.
Order placed. Order cancelled.
Not this time.
I went and touched that, the smaller.
Yeah, almost broke that low, not quite. You can even see up here, we're still inside this 5 minute supply zone. More buying. They are themselves getting really aggressive
Order filled.
last time here.
Order placed.
Bit of a late entry.
Order placed.
Moving very quick. Stop.
Order placed.
There. Very choppy action.
Yeah, it's very like sideways.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a bearish imbalance though, so working in your favor.
See that low was taken?
Yep.
I've moved stop to above this high now.
Order placed.
Okay.
Order cancelled.
Move take profit.
Yep.
Took a few times, very choppy inside this zone.
Yeah.
This first entry was good because I saw the buying here, try push it up, fail, and then on this pop, buyers got aggressive up here,
Yeah.
and it failed. It's an aggressive entry, and it didn't work out. This entry over here, where I entered here, was lower high,
Yeah.
and inside this 5-minute supply zone. Took a small loss on that one too because it had an extra leg up.
Yeah.
But I re-entered based off of all these buyers up here trapped, sellers getting aggressive, putting pressure on them, re-entry, stop loss above there, and the same target I've had the whole time, which is down here.
Very nice.
Could be looking at this small 1 hour
Oh yeah.
zone there. See what it does. I want to see a really strong drop down here.
Yeah.
Very aggressive drop. If we see that, then we'll see. My demand is at 39s. It's down here. We'll see if we can.
Get that little new low.
Yeah, we're getting a bounce now out of this zone. Buyers pushed up pretty aggressively, got more aggressive here.
Yeah.
What I look for is a small pullback into this to potentially go long. I don't really like entering on low volume like this
Nah.
because you can't expect after you enter the volume to just pick up miraculously and go to your target.
Exactly.
Yeah, so I like what I'm seeing here. This would be an aggressive entry because the volume is low. But we can try.
Order filled. Order placed.
Stop loss.
Yeah, nice small risk.
Targeting
Order placed.
these lows, this sort of supply zone for that strong drop.
Yeah.
It is a very aggressive entry.
Order cancelled.
We got
Oh.
worked out.
To
That-
the tick.
That would be another good entry there. Hold on.
Order filled. Order
An
placed.
early entry. I'll try it again. Targeting up.
Order placed.
This doesn't invalidate my trade. It just means my entry was early.
Yeah.
Because you see how when we drop below this low, a bunch of selling.
Kicked in, yeah.
This is the overnight session too. Something I wouldn't normally trade, and now we see aggressive buying stepping in, putting pressure on that like liquidity sweep, where I was the liquidity. So
Unfortunately.
looking at it, I could ideally take my take profit up to,
Order placed.
because what I'm seeing is a change in structure. You see how it dropped here very aggressively, consolidated, sharp drop lower. And what I'm looking for is it to continue higher, to take these highs.
Yeah.
Order cancelled.
It's a sharp drop lower, so that was the initial take profit there at 47s.
Did
I
it?
moved
Did
up.
it? Yeah.
But I was expecting this to continue up higher, sharp drop, get absorbed, continue up higher.
Bro got greedy.
My analysis was wrong.
He was greedy.
I'm looking for a short here. I'm seeing it break above this previous day high into that supply zone from before. And right now I'm seeing a shift in structure. You see buyers, how they just pushed up here, broke above this little minor high into this. This is a small supply zone. You can see how it consolidated and then dropped with aggressive buying here. You'd speculate them getting trapped
Yeah.
and it pushing down lower. And so
Order filled.
try a short
Order placed.
there. And
Oh yeah.
I'd take it down. You can do
Order placed.
the lows there.
Yeah.
And if I was in 2 contracts, I could even take it down a bit lower, but to this overnight high, the 57s, which could put it there, but
Order placed.
I don't want to get greedy with it.
Yeah, you greedy boy.
It's definitely an area where it could take, but I'm just seeing this sweep here.
Yeah.
So we'll see how this plays out. So sellers get aggressive, buyers try to push it up, sellers get more aggressive. Stop can get put.
Order placed.
Nice.
I can ideally get put there, but I'm going to be conservative with it and just put it at break even.
Order placed.
Yeah.
Okay, now it can definitely be put down here.
Order placed.
Reclaim all that. And let's target the sweep of that load there.
Yeah.
Order cancelled.
And let's take profit.
Nice. And immediately starts to consolidate.
And we'll see if it goes down to the 57s or not, which is that overnight high, 58s. Yeah, so we got it there. Okay, well, that concludes my backtesting session.
Well, thank you for letting me observe. This has been very intriguing and interesting.
Uh-huh.
Well, I think that's everything for today, guys.
Indeed.
We will see you in the next one. Bye.